digital is changing the game for manufacturers. A future full of smart, connected products, assets, and operations offer huge potential for productivity gains, cost savings, and sustainable, profitable growth. And new customer expectations such as mass customization, product as a service, and customer requirements create the need to embrace digital technologies across the manufacturing value chain. But transforming digitally demands innovation as operations and information technology converge. Our digital manufacturing services are founded on accelerated innovation and value creation and extend from consulting, applications and technology, engineering services, platform as a service, IoT middleware and 3D modeling, and data management services, all delivered within a framework of offerings. Enterprise-wide manufacturing digital transformation increases your enterprise performance by leveraging digital technologies and empowering your people and ecosystem. Product and asset management embraces product lifecycle management transformation to address the business and technology dimensions of 3D continuity, delivering effective digital asset management across your industrial facilities. Complex system simulation helps you model and simulate your systems, reducing time to market while avoiding physical prototypes and test and optimizing quality. Operations management delivers services across industrial control systems, manufacturing intelligence, and digital operations, while continuously launching improvement initiatives and preventive actions. And industrial cybersecurity guides you through your digital transformation while securing your mobility, big data, cloud, and IoT initiatives. Make your future digital.